Next, going to the right with the nose to the left, with the hip making the biggest circle. So now we're looking at haunches left, our counter arc, and his shoulder and nose is the closest point. The right front is the closest point to the mark. Next, going to the right, shaped left, with my foot closest. I know. He goes, I should just be bending around that. There we go. There's some rhythm and flow. Easy, 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 easy. Hold the flow, hold the flow. Good man. My foot stayed closest to the mark. Trying to get all 4 feet going equal with him arced to the outside. Counter bend. Good boy. Now, last but not least, this actually ends up being one of the easier ones. Bent left with his hip closest to it, going to the right. This gets to be easy because people want to pull the front end around here. Notice how that pulls his nose to the left. And with my left leg bumping him around here, it makes him want to look over at that leg. So bent left while going right with the hip closest to the mark. There's the 6 different flexions that we can use. You need to be able to do it right and left. And you can do this walking, trotting, cantering, galloping, and backing.